camera enthusiasts. Get ready because we have some exciting news fresh off the rumor mill, especially for all you Leica lovers out there. Today, we're diving into the leaked specifications of the highly anticipated Leica SL3, slated for official announcement on March 7th, 2024. So, let's jump right in and uncover what this new camera might have in store for us. First up, let's talk about autofocus. The Leica SL3 is rumored to feature phase detection autofocus, which promises to be quite impressive, drawing comparisons to the autofocus capabilities of the anticipated Panasonic S1R2. Now, speaking of Panasonic, the S1R2 is expected to hit the market at a significantly lower price point, offering an enticing alternative for those eyeing an M-mount high-pixel camera. Now, let's delve into the leaked specifications of the Leica SL3. It's rumored to sport the same 60-megapixel sensor found in the Leica M11 or Leica Q3, promising exceptional image quality and detail. And here's an exciting twist. The SL3 is said to feature a slightly smaller body compared to its predecessor, the Leica SL2, making it more compact and portable for on-the-go shooting. But that's not all. The SL3 is rumored to boast an impressive 6.5 stops of image stabilization, ensuring sharp and steady shots even in challenging shooting conditions. And for videographers, get ready to capture stunning footage with cropped 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second capabilities, along with full-frame and Super 35C 4K at 30 frames per second options. Plus, with the added convenience of SD card and CF Express Type B memory card slots, you'll have ample storage space for your high-resolution images and videos. And for those worried about durability, fear not. The Leica SL3 is rumored to come with an IP54 sealing, providing protection against dust and splashes. And let's not forget about the OLED electronic viewfinder, delivering crisp and clear visuals for composing your shots with precision. Additionally, content authentication, similar to the M11P, adds an extra layer of security and authenticity to your captured moments. Now, in terms of pricing, rumors suggest that the Leica SL3 will come in at under Euro 8,000, making it a premium but potentially accessible option for enthusiasts and professionals alike. And if that's not enough to get you excited, stay tuned because a new Leica M-mount lens is also rumored to be announced a month later, sometime in April. So there you have it, folks. A sneak peek into what the Leica SL3 might have in store for us. Are you as excited as we are about this upcoming release? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates and reviews. Until next time, happy shooting. Bye.